Okay, in this video, you're going to learn how to solve situational problems involving parabola. And I'm going to give you two examples for this topic. Okay, we have example number 1. It says, how high is the parabolic arch of span 20 feet and height of 16 feet at a distance 5 feet from the center? So, medyo mahirap isolve to just by looking at the given values, no? So the first thing that we're going to do to have an idea on how we're going to solve this problem is to illustrate kung anong nangyayari doon sa problem, ano? Para makita natin yung situation, okay? Sabi, meron daw parabolic arch. Ang lapad niya 20 feet, ang height niya 16 feet. Ang tinatanong ay height of the parabolic arch 5 feet from the center. Okay? So, gawa tayo ng illustration to better understand kung paano natin isosolve yung height ng parabolic arch. Okay? Gawa muna tayo ng parabolic arch. So, we have here. Sama. Okay. Okay, gawa tayo ng parabolic arch. Yan. And then, ito yung kanyang span niya is 20 feet. Okay, ang height niya ay 16 feet. So, ito natin lagay. 16 feet ang height. At ang lapad niya ay 20 feet. Okay? Now, and then, 20 feet. Gawa tayo ng Cartesian plane or x and y axis. Question is, saan natin ilalagay yung origin of the xy plane? Nasa sa ating decision yon. But I suggest ilagay na lang natin yung ating origin of the xy plane na ilalagay natin dito sa parabolic arch. Dito ang origin. Na, para 0 na kaagad yung kanyang x-axis o horizontal distance of the vertex. Natatama doon. Okay? Ibig sabihin, gagawa tayo ng axis natatama doon sa topmost part of the parabolic arch, which is the vertex of the parabola. Ayan. Okay, tagilid. Ayan. Okay. Sabihin natin, ito yung ating x-axis, ito yung ating y-axis. And this is the origin of the xy plane. Now, ito yung topmost part of the parabolic arch, meaning naroon yung kanyang vertex. And then, based from the given values, okay, the vertex is located at 0, 16, okay, because this is the origin of the xy plane. So we don't have 0, we don't have horizontal distance of the vertex, so that is 0. And then the height or the vertical distance is 16. Now, since yung ating xy plane divides the parabola into equal parts, equal parts dito. So, ibig sabihin, sa center ng parabola tumama yung ating y-axis. So, ito, na-divide siya into 2 equal parts. Nandito rin yung axis of symmetry. 10 feet dun sa right side, 10 feet dun sa left side. Okay. Ang tinatanong sa atin ay height of the parabola 5 feet from the center. So, ito yung center natin, 5 feet from the center. Aalamin natin yung height dito. Yan. Okay, doble. So, alamin natin yung height ng parabola dito. Okay. So, ito ang kailangan nating isolve. Height. Now, kunin natin yung mga ordered pairs nung mga points na to. Okay? Tsaka ito. Okay, kasi kailangan natin yung height nun, yung vertical distance nun. So, ang ordered pairs nito mga to, based from our xy plane, ang ordered pair nun, the horizontal distance is 10 feet from the origin, and it is located on the x-axis, therefore, 0 ang kanyang vertical distance. And this one, ang kanyang coordinates will be negative 10. Ang horizontal distance niya ay 10 feet from the origin, and 0 yung kanyang vertical distance kasi it's on the x-axis. Now, ito, ang coordinates nito will be 5 feet ang horizontal distance, and ang kanyang vertical distance is unknown. Yun ang hahanapin natin. Yun yung y. And that is the height of the parabolic arch, 5 feet from the center. So we have now the illustration of the situation. So the next is, we determine the equation of this parabola. Okay? And this is a parabola opens upward, vertex at hk. Therefore, the standard equation that we're going to apply for this situation, no? The standard equation of parabola that we're going to apply for this situation is standard equation of the parabola, which is x minus h squared equals negative 4c y minus k. No? Bakit? Kasi ang parabola natin ay opens downward. So, ito ang magagamitin natin equation. Next step is solve for C para makuha natin yung equation of this parabola. How? So, we know the values of h and k. We can use this point para gamitin natin i-substitute natin yung x and y values niya doon sa equation para ma-solve si C. So, we use 10, 0 for x and y values so that we can solve the value of C. So, x is 10, h is 0, negative 4c, y is 0, k is 16. So, this is 100 to the left. We have 4 times 16 is 64, so positive 64c. Then divide both sides by 64. We have the value of c is, so to divide both by 4, that will be 25 over 16. Okay. So we have now the value of c. Now, we can now determine the equation of this parabolic arch. Okay. The equation is using this. We have x minus h is 0. Negative 4 times c is 25 over 16. Then y minus 16. So we have x squared, cancel 4. So we have negative 25 over 4, y minus 16. Okay. So this is the equation of our parabolic arch. And the last step is we solve for the height of the parabolic arch 5 feet from the center. How? By substituting the value of x here to our equation. Okay? Okay? Parang solving y when x equals 5 feet. Okay? So we have x is 5, diretso ko na. Sulit ko muna x squared negative 25 over 4 y minus 16. X is 5, so that will be 5 squared negative 25 over 4 y minus 16. So this will be 25 equals negative 25 over 4. So we can cancel these. This is 1. It's also 1. We have y minus 16. Okay, cross multiply 4, so that's 4 negative y plus 16. And then, transpose y to the left and 4 to the right. Y equals 12 feet. Okay, so that is our answer. Ang taas ng ating parabolic arch, 5 feet from the center, is 12 feet. Okay? 12 feet ito. Okay? So that is the solution to this problem involving parabola. Thank you.